Hello and welcome to codeblaze.io, and it's a welcome after a very long time. And I know the whole world is going through a pandemic, and it was difficult for me also to balance YouTube and my current internship. But I still kept doing some of my personal projects. So I have currently two big projects going on. One of them is finished, so finally I decided to complete a game and release it, and Color Dash is the result of that. So I kept it in mind, the idea needs to be simple and it should be fast to implement. So it took me about 2 weeks to implement this, and I had just submitted it to Play Store, so it's under review. So the idea of the game is pretty simple. It's an endless platformer, and the platforms are generated randomly and have a random color between the four colors of the cube, and you just have to match them. So if I just start this. Okay, so just disable the music. Okay, we'll just go. So there are two types of platforms. So one are these walls, and the others are the colored platforms. And as you can see, if you touch anything other than your color, your speed will be decreased, and if you match the colors, your speed increases. So there were a few Unity packages, some new patches that I got about using. So this is all done through the new Unity input system. Then I have Cinemachine in there. Then I'm using the new 2D renderer, the shader graph. I also tried to integrate visual effects graph for some particle effects, but the visual effect graphs isn't working with the 2D renderer currently. I don't know why. Other than that, programmatically I kept a heavy focus on good code architecture, and I tried a few Unity libraries like Zenject and UniRX. Now some may debate that for such a simple game, Zenject and UniRX may be overkill, and that's true, but my main purpose here was to learn those libraries so I can freely use them in the future. Zenject I found sometimes to be counterintuitive, like you have to add components just to bind your own mono behaviors, but UniRX I was pretty happy with. So UniRX saved me a good amount of writing code. So the game is submitted to the Play Store for release. That's for Android, so it won't be releasing for iOS. Unfortunately, I don't have Mac system. So it's a pretty simple endless runner, and once you get beyond, get out of the screen, you'll be killed, and you'll have the option to either continue or restart. So if you continue, an ad will play, and you can just continue the game, and if you restart, you'll be sent here back to the screen. So that's all it, and once the app is published, I'll put the link down in the description so you can also check it out, and it will help me also. Another thing I'm going to do is create an in-depth video of how I have the programming architecture, the code architecture that I've created for this game, and go over through gloss over through the code. And I'm also planning to start, I want to start another tutorial series on some topic, whether it be regarding Unity, or I've been working with .NET recently a lot, or anything in JavaScript. So if you have any suggestions, please leave them down below in the comments, and subscribe for all the next updates. Thank you. Bye.